Hi everyone, in this video I wanna show you how to solve a common problem which is I guess everybody found in your project when you did floor installation or you're gonna do floor installation. So first of all, this is when floor very uneven and one side very high, another one very low, and you have some bumpy on the floor. How to do it better for floor installation. For example, right here I did project 1 week ago, and this was very interesting. Room was small, but all the problems what we need to solve I found right here. So first of all, this one side with which is connected with bathroom was very low, but another side which is close to the window and balcony door was very high. And guys who did previous leveling for carpet, they put one bucket of self-leveling compound just to this corner, and didn't spread it with any leveling tools, just put it in, because it's self-leveling compound. Some people ask me why you using straight edge and roller to spread the self-leveling compound, because it's self-leveling compound, it should be spread by themselves. No, this is exactly I showed self-leveling compound don't spread by themselves. So this was some big hump. Also, connection with living room was not really fancy. You see how the big difference, between living room and this bedroom. My goal was make one level in living room and this bedroom, and then install the laminate floor without any transition, and also put between tiles and laminate floor low profile T molding, aluminum T molding. First of all, what I did, I insulate the walls, put foam on the wall and cover with paper, because it was fresh painted, and with laser I install tripods to make level with living room. Always when I have a big elevation on the floor on my projects, I'm doing with laser and tripods level, and then I'm doing flattening with this high spot. You see, I already did level, and also I smoothed out that high spot which was on the left corner right here. If you're looking for this nice leveling tools, tripods and laser level, and also roller and spike shoes, you can find link in description for this video. What I get after leveling, you see, I put straight edge across the living room and this bedroom, everything nice and level. And also I check height of the floor when I start installation. I put underlay, I put laminate floor. You see, it's flat with tile. This is the goal what I wanna get, and I got it. Also, I wanna show you this very nice tools. It's called dehumidifier. It's very fast absorb water from the concrete. You can use it. We have one issue. When I level all this place by this point, this is I just smooth it out, because this corner is really high. It may be around 3/8, half inch higher. So, and if you put straight edge, you will see this gap, you see? Because it's going up. But if we move this straight edge to this side, it's just a little bit. There is less than quarter here. So this side within, this side too high. So how to solve this problem? First of all, need to check two directions. So when I check this direction, I found little problem. But if you have a look to Windows side, you will see it's like, you know, big gap. So if we put straight edge across, we will be wondering how big this gap is. You see from 0, and we slide this straight edge out all the way. It's getting down, 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 down. And somewhere here is 0. So very important to do leveling. If we have like this problem, need to level across the direction. So direction should be this way from the windows to the washroom. In this case, we don't have to level this way. We have to level across the direction. You know why? If we level this side, we will have still, you know, this big gap. And when we put baseboards on both sides, floor in this area will be always lifted up a little bit. You can put 4-inch or whatever, you know, and still it can be moved. And when you walk, you will feel this movement. In this case, need to level across, make it straight. And if you level across, your floor will be stable and not moving. Okay? So go ahead. For flattening floor, you don't need too much tools. Here is I'm using straight edge. Right here is long gouge. This exactly 8 feet straight edge. Also, I use Mapei Novoplan 1. This is a similar product for you can find in your stores. Mapei self-leveler plus Mapei Novoplan 2 works the same. So, and you have to use trowel. I'm using white trowel because with the trowel very easy to spread self-leveling compound. Don't forget knee pads, don't forget mixer, which is you have to mix the self-leveling compound, and mask. Mask very important because when you mixing the self-leveling compound, that dust not really friendly for your length. Okay, so when I'm mixing self-leveling compound for flattening, because there is some sloping to one side, need to make material thick. You know, if it's more liquid, it can be flow to lower side. Right here I make it more thick and slightly moving straight edge. I spread with trowel self-leveling compound. You will see the gap under the straight edge. If it's, you know, you see the lights, it means there is a gap. You need to add more self-leveling compound. From the top it looks like this. For any application of self-leveling compound, don't forget to use primer. Here is I am using L primer Mapei because I am using Mapei products and I'm using the same primer. We don't have to rush when you spread the concrete. We have some slope side, you know, and self-leveling compound can a little bit slightly move to the lower side. That's why I am pushing a straight edge back and forth few times during the leveling. It's helping me solve some little imperfection when I'm moving straight edge back and forth. And when I do flattening, I'm not if flattening, you know, with some sloping, I'm not using a roller, because if I will use roller can spread the self-leveling compound to the lower side and nice sloping flattening you can't get. So usually using only straight edge and travel. Okay, so this is the point. I do not put a whole amount of bucket self-leveling compound in one time, just adding a little bit and spread it and move the straight edge. If you need to add more, I'm just adding. You don't have to rush, because all mistakes very hard to fix it. This concrete very solid. So I spent here 2 bags of self-leveling compound. Now this part is flat, this and this part is level. So you have to understand level and flat. So both it's good for flooring, but I prefer level. But if it's not possible to do somewhere level, I'm doing flat. Sometimes I'm doing only flat, sometimes only level, sometimes combine these 2 types of leveling. What kind of benefits I got after this combined leveling? You see, I start the installation, floor installation from the living room, and I come inside to this bedroom, and the floor lay on the subfloor very tight, no any gaps. You see, when I install base bars very tight. From my experience, no anyone like when under the baseboard big gaps and floor moving. Also, you see, I come to the tile flat with floor and install very low profile aluminum teacup. So customers really like it, because, you know, not a regular teacup which is much more higher than this one. I hope this video was very helpful. See you on next video.